Kiray and Fritchel. Okay. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so you have here 500 pesos worth of sari-sari. Okay. So shampoo, milk, Delight, Tokateo, Yakult, no? And some snacks. Pancit Canton. And you, Fritchel, snacks, can, toothpaste, milk, and coffee, juice. Okay. So 500 pesos worth of sari-sari mission. Kinsay naghatag inday?
Jinim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bayad na. Okay, bye-bye. And Catherine. Catherine. Okay. How old are you na inday?
9.
Unsa ka grade?
Grade 4.
Mag-grade 4 na?
Ay, grade 5.
Mag-grade 5 din. Ikaw inday?
9.
Ha?
9.
9 sad niya, mag-grade 5. Okay, so you have here 500 pesos worth of sari-sari. Okay. More on snacks inday? Snacks. Stock lang nito yung balay. Ganahan ka mukha o nara. Okay. Aras. Okay, the same of Catherine. Snacks. 1 pack of biscuits. Okay. Milk and choco drink. Aras. Okay, that is worth 500 pesos. Kinsa may naghatag inday? Yung kamo duha, yung Junim. Okay.
Yung Jinim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Yung bayad 500 ito. Okay, proceed na to. Bye-bye. Binbin and Ryle. Anyo nga sa'yo? Saan saan mo ipili ni mo? Saan mo ipili? Sa mong sari-sari mission? Puro mga snacks sa tanan. Imo rin yung snack ko. Magkuhan ka. Practice ka. Okay. 500 pesos worth of sari-sari for Binbin. And Ate Ryle, unsa gyapon imong gikuan? Snacks lang tanan. Parehas mo duha. Magkuan mo laglaag mo magkaon-kaon. Kaya ako itanawon. Aras. All snacks. Okay, pila man na siya tanan? 500. Okay, 500 pud na. Okay, ba atag na ni Daddy ang bayad. Tara, Koy. Koy. Okay. Dongan mo duha ha. Kisa nagatag. Kus gatingog.
Yung taksim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, ato na dito. Bye-bye. Linet. Anyo nga sa'yo? So, Liza, how old are you na inday? 6 pa ka? Yeah, grade 1? Karon nga inig abli sa klase? Okay. Ikaw inday? 7. Mag-grade 2? Araso. So, you have here 500 pesos worth of sari-sari. So, more on snacks. Very good kayo. Kay more on snacks and isuyo milk and Milo. Okay. Choco drink. Liza and Marlinette. Very good. More on snacks. So daghanan nyo gaon inday ha. Juice, snacks and biscuits. Okay. So that is 500 inday man na mo bayad naman. Okay, kinsa may naghatag? Ha? Okay, kus gatingog. 1 2 3 go. Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Cherry.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so earlier you didn't able to attend our monthly donation event. So where have you been man? Ganun makaka-attend?
Doing school activities.
Okay, school activities. How school man lately?
Stressful.
Stressful, but kaya raman ka ha?
Fighting lang.
Fighting. Okay, so this video is supposed to be taken by Lindy. But since Lindy is now at work, I am here to deliver your donation from Chusong Jin Team Jangnim, 1,000 pesos. Please receive it.
Uncle Chosong Jinin, Pinjangnin, kamsahamnida.
Study very well. Bye-bye. Fighting.
안녕하세요. SJ님 감사합니다.